I always thought this absolutely enormous. This is see, it looks like a 90s Schindler in every respect, apart from at Newtown Mall. The modernisation is complete. To the doors. They've done. New door motor. Still hydraulic. The modernisation has been done by Schindler again. Okay, we're probably all familiar with New World Newtown's old lift, their Express, that's been modernised twice by Schindler. But we're not here for that. We're here for their brand new lift that's just been installed recently. Wake up. Here it is. Oh, it's massive. Schindler 2400, I think. FIGS/linear fixtures. Now, what does quite annoy me is that on this side, the buttons are pre-lit. On this side, they're not. This is huge. I mean, the other lift is pretty big. This is even bigger. It's quite nice because we now have an MRL traction here, which is way faster than the other lift, which is hydraulic. And we'll finish off by taking it back down to 0, because I want to go into the store itself. Don't like the interior very much though. It feels a bit industrially freighty, not necessarily inviting. Here we have the old lift, and over there is the new one. We'll take a good look at the old lift so that we can compare them. So this lift was installed by Express. It was modernised by Schindler using M series before then getting a Dewhurst mod later. This floor indicator was replaced, I think, either late last year or earlier this year, and it has not been programmed correctly. This lift is hydraulic. I much prefer the new lift over this one. This is hydraulic. It's a massive lift, huge lift, almost as big as the new one. But obviously the new one has the advantage of having the wider doors. It's actually pretty quick anyway for a hydraulic. They put a new door motor on this one when they did the Dewhurst mod, which has sped it up a little bit as well. The inside indicator used to be the same as that with that background on it, but that got broken, and it now has that rather boring inside indicator. I think I definitely prefer the new lift, personally. There we go.